ever-changing, ever-evolving thanks to AI. During this Chinese startup, Deepseek is making waves again with the release of its latest large language model update, Deepseek v3.1. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Deepseek is set to launch its v3.1 version, and this new version not only improves performance, but also marks a big move towards China's long-term goal, which is building their own AI system for chips rather than importing it from the US with giant taxes. The v3.1 update brings multiple upgrades to the table. Most importantly, it supports UE8M0 FP8 format, a highly efficient 8-bit floating point system. This allows the AI model to run faster and consume less memory than previous versions. That is cool. But there's more. This format is optimized for upcoming Chinese-made chips, which are expected to launch soon. While Deepseek didn't name specific manufacturers, the announcement strongly hints at collaboration within the country. This comes at a time when China is racing to strengthen its local semiconductor industry, especially in the face of US export bans on advanced AI chips. Deepseek's move signals growing alignment between China's AI developers and chip producers in creating a homegrown tech stack. But that's not all. v3.1 isn't just about hardware. Deepseek also introduced a hybrid inference structure, allowing the AI to switch between two operating modes, which are a reasoning mode used for tasks like problem solving, deep analysis, and complex writing, and a non-reasoning mode for lighter tasks like summaries or quick answers. Users can now manually switch between these modes with a new deep thinking button on Deepseek's app and web platform, giving more control over how the AI responds depending on the task. And the company's updated its API pricing too, making it more accessible for developers to use Deepseek's model. These pricing changes will go live starting September 6th. Deepseek has been moving fast throughout 2023 and 2024, launching the R1 model in May and an earlier V3 update in March. With v3.1, it's clear the company is not just chasing competitors like OpenAI. It's laying the groundwork for a future where Chinese AI systems run smoothly on domestic chips, free from the shambles of foreign tech. This upgrade may seem technical, but its message is clear. The Deepseek is becoming a key piece of China's AI and semiconductor industry, and maybe in the future it'll go beyond China. Do you think Chinese AI can take over ChatGPT in the future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.